Transform your home with AI, effortless design solutions. Welcome to this enlightening journey into the world of artificial intelligence and home design. In today's video, we're going to explore how AI is not only transforming, but revolutionizing the way we approach the design and aesthetics of our homes. From interiors and exteriors to gardens, patios, and terraces, AI powers an array of tools that enable us to create stunning designs effortlessly. Let's delve into the science behind this magical transformation and discover how you can take advantage of these innovations. Artificial intelligence-driven tools have emerged as game changers in home design. These technologies leverage powerful algorithms to predict, design, and execute creative solutions tailored to individual needs and preferences. The benefits of using AI tools are multifaceted, offering precision, speed, and access to a plethora of design possibilities, all while ensuring high levels of creativity and practicality. Imagine being able to refresh your home's interior in a matter of seconds, or creating a mesmerizing garden layout without having to manually plan each detail. AI makes these undertakings not only feasible, but also highly efficient, providing homeowners with incredible design power at their fingertips. A significant advantage of AI in home design is its accessibility. Once reserved for expert designers, revolutionary design capabilities are now available to everyone, from seasoned professionals to DIY enthusiasts. Thanks to AI, breathtaking transformations are achievable without protracted timelines or exorbitant costs. Whether you're looking to redesign your living room with modern aesthetics or create a tranquil backyard oasis, AI-driven tools cater to all needs. These tools expedite the design process, eliminating traditional roadblocks and empowering you to become your home's visionary designer. Let's explore the breadth of AI applications in home design. Interiors. From reimagining layouts to choosing color palettes, AI tools can help you create cohesive and stylish interiors that reflect your personal taste. Exteriors. Enhance your home's curb appeal by transforming facades with innovative materials and designs suggested by AI. Gardens, patios, and terraces. AI technologies assist in designing lush gardens and elegant outdoor spaces. These tools balance aesthetics with function, ensuring that every component complements the overall design. At the core of AI-driven design is the ingenious blend of creativity and practicality. These tools generate inventive, visually appealing solutions that also serve functional purposes. For instance, they can propose layout contrasts or innovative storage solutions that marry style with utility. Imagine AI generating a variety of sophisticated dining room designs based on your inputs, then recommending adjustable elements to maximize space without compromising on beauty. These intelligent adjustments are what make AI tools indispensable in modern home design. Visual appeal plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of any home design project. AI capabilities in this sphere are unparalleled. With the ability to generate high-fidelity renderings and immersive visualizations, AI ensures every element of your design is stunning to look at and aligns perfectly with your desired aesthetic. But how exactly do these AI tools work? Behind these seemingly effortless designs is sophisticated technology that analyzes vast data sets to learn about styles, preferences, and practical needs. Machine learning algorithms are at the heart of this process, enabling the AI to make informed design predictions and recommendations. These tools can identify patterns in your inputs and generate design concepts that fit seamlessly into your vision, all while suggesting ideas you might not have considered. In practice, let's consider a few examples where AI has been instrumental in bringing home design projects to life. A coastal villa transformed its outdoor space into a serene haven through AI-suggested landscaping, while a city apartment saw its tiny kitchen optimized into a modern, spacious, visitor-friendly area with AI-suggested layout hacks. Explore diverse styles and preferences with AI applications, from minimalist urban settings to lush countryside mansions. Despite AI's many benefits, there are some challenges to consider. Common concerns include fears of design homogenization and over-reliance on technology. However, AI is equipped to tackle these issues by offering personalized design solutions and encouraging user interaction in the creative process, ensuring uniqueness in each project. AI is reshaping traditional design practices significantly. It's not only expediting processes but also expanding creative boundaries for designers and homeowners alike. With AI, design possibilities are limitless, ensuring the design industry evolves constantly to produce innovative, client-centered solutions. For this video, we've used advanced editing techniques to enhance your viewing experience. Enhanced visuals illustrate the transformative power of AI, making each design demonstration not only clearer, but also more engaging. Now, let's turn this over to you. What transformations have you been dreaming of for your home? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments. We'd love to hear about the design challenges you'd like to tackle with AI or any experiences you've had using these technologies. AI tools are incredibly empowering for DIY enthusiasts. They equip individuals with the knowledge and expertise needed to confidently pursue design projects. From building unique furniture to landscaping, AI technologies assist DIY projects by offering expert-level support in design execution. Sometimes finding inspiration can be daunting. AI simplifies this by providing a consistent source of innovative ideas and possibilities. With AI, you can explore various design styles and elements tailored to your taste, expanding your creative horizons with ease. AI breaks down conventional design limitations, democratizing access to professional design insights. Homeowners can now manifest their dream spaces, bringing life to projects that once seemed unattainable or far-fetched. As we conclude, let's recap. AI's role in home design is to offer efficient, visually stunning, and highly accessible solutions. It not only breaks new ground, but also empowers every homeowner to achieve their dream transformations easily and swiftly. If you're considering revamping your space, why not explore AI design tools? They offer a world of possibilities to elevate your home effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep updated with more innovative content on home design and technology. Continue this conversation in our comments section. Share your design stories, ask questions, or offer insights as we explore AI's transformative power together. Stay ahead by learning about recent advancements in AI technology, from augmented reality integrations to automated environment adaptations, which promise to redefine our interaction with home spaces. AI paves the way for eco-friendly and sustainable design solutions, emphasizing environmentally conscious selections. It suggests sustainable materials and energy-efficient configurations, aligning with modern sustainability goals. One of AI's strengths lies in delivering personalized design recommendations based on individual preferences. Explore case studies revealing the personalized touch AI offers in crafting bespoke living spaces. Budget constraints are a common concern in home projects. AI helps mitigate these challenges by offering cost-effective design solutions that optimize resources without sacrificing style or quality. We will now conduct a step-by-step demonstration using a popular AI design tool. Watch as we transform a living room interior, detailing each design choice from concept to execution. Hear from industry professionals who have integrated AI into their design repertoire. They share insights into the practical applications and transformative impacts of AI tools in their projects. We've gathered testimonials from homeowners and viewers who have used AI in their home design projects. Their stories highlight diverse transformations and successes that inspire innovation and creativity. Consider the integration of AI design tools with home automation systems for a seamless smart home experience. Future developments promise even greater synergy between design technologies and automated living. We're committed to addressing your queries. Watch this space for responses to common questions and expert advice to guide you on your AI-enabled design journey. Starting your own AI design journey is straightforward. Choose the right tool, learn its functionalities, and step confidently into the realm of AI-facilitated home transformations. While AI adoption presents obstacles such as technical learning curves and data privacy considerations, the opportunities far outweigh the challenges, promising a future where design possibilities are endless. In closing, AI is your gateway to endless design possibilities. Embrace these tools and embark on a creative journey that transforms your home into a vision of beauty and innovation. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to experiencing the endless future of home design together.